So this is going to be a drive with me video and I'm really excited about it. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of my March playlist. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below if you haven't already. So let's go. So I just really like this song. It's actually by Anthem Lights and I'm not sure, I think it's their original song because it's on their Painted Skies album, which is their newest album, but I just love this song. It's a really nice slow song and it's just beautiful, so yeah. It's amazing that all the places you could be, you somehow ended up with me. And everywhere that I might go, I just wanna keep you close. So this song is one that we've done in church, and like maybe you've heard it if you go to church or if you just listen to worship music, but I love this song so much. Great is your faithfulness, faithfulness. I'm still in your hands. This is my confidence. You never fail me yet. This song is by NF. I don't know if you guys have heard of him, but he's a super cool rapper, and this is actually one of his songs from one of his first albums. It was actually an EP, but this song is gold, like seriously. I love it so much. You're the only one, nothing's gonna hold us up. I got you, and after all that we've been through some things. But it's okay, there's no way I'm leaving. Baby, believe it. But this song is fairly new, so I don't know the lyrics very well yet, but it's super good. It's by Hawk Nelson, and I love it so much. I carried you then, I'll carry you here and now. So don't lose heart and don't forget my work in you ain't finished yet. Hold on to me now, I'll never let you down. I'll never let you down. This song is actually a mashup, I cannot talk, a mashup by Mass Anthem, I think is how you say their name. I've never actually heard of the band, but I came across this song on Spotify and I fell in love with it, so I hope you guys do too. I dare you to move, I dare you to move, I dare you to lift yourself up off the floor. So I am made to have been, and who I am made to have been. So this song is probably really old. I have no idea when it was created and released, but it is one of my favorite, like, just happy-go-lucky kind of songs. It's just a really fun, upbeat song.
All this place is packed with people, but your face is all I see, and the music's way too loud.
La-da-dee, la-da-da-doo, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you, la-da-dee, la-da-da-doo, there's only me, there's only you, la-da-dee, la-da-da-doo, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. This song is definitely one of those songs where if I'm alone and I just close my door to my room and I just have a little dance party.
So get them out of my head, these thoughts keep chasing me, these lies make it hard to see. So get them out of my head, it's all breaking me, faced with insecurity. So I'm running to you. Don't wait, keep rolling like a tidal wave. You are gonna rise above it. You are gonna rise above it. Oh, no way, you are never gonna break. You are gonna rise above it. You are gonna rise above it.
So guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. My camera battery died in the middle of filming this, so that's why I'm now on my bed ending this video for you guys. But I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so that you don't ever miss one of my videos, because sometimes we post surprise videos. Also subscribe to my vlog channel if you aren't already, if you want to see a little bit more of what's going on in my life and my world. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Remember to love always. Bye guys.
I wanna be a fire starter. You can help me if you want.